Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more play.
Salve caralho!
Caralho!
No céu tem pão e morreu.
Nigga.
Tragedy that recently took place back in the United States. Over the weekend, a massive landslide swept through a tiny town called Oso in Washington State.
YOLO!
This is great banter. It really.
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
Empolgante. Empolgante.